a 96 Ford Ranger, extended cab, short box. Started out as a two-wheel drive 3.0 automatic stock suspension with all the twin high beam, whatever bullshit. It was actually a really good truck. For a few good years I drove it to work, school, everything for a while, and then I just got bored with it, so I sold it to a buddy in town. He drove it for a while and then ended up seizing the 3.0 in it. So I bought it back for $100. It was in my name still. So it just sat in my yard forever. I just been brewing about it and finally decided to sass it, and here it is. I scored a set of Dana 44 axles. The front is a flat top 44. I'm unsure if it's Chevy or a Wagyu 44. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments what you guys think it is. Flat top. It has these weird studs right there. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do there, but so I'm just gonna start off with the front. Skies off-road hanger. I put in this chunk of square tube to drop it down. I think that was like 2.5 inches, maybe 3. It's not all welded up yet, but that's from a better pinion angle. For the rear front shackles, I just made some plates off the frame, gusseted and shit. Haven't got shocks yet, but those are Chevy 4-inch lift springs. The motor, it actually has a good 3.0 in it, but I cannot find a 4-wheel drive training to put in this truck. So I'm taking all of that out and putting a small block Chevy in there. Maybe an LS. I'm not sure yet, depending on funds. Back here, we have a 12-bolt rear end with Jeep Cherokee 6-inch rear lift springs. Trail gear 5 or 6-inch shackles. With just rough stuff perches up there. I just took some 3/16 flat bar, made some front hangers. Simple enough, you know. Fuck it, it works. But yeah, don't have tires for it yet. All leaf springs. I wanted a Sasser Ranger with leaves. I saw a couple on YouTube, but haven't seen much. So I wanted to try it out. Inside, all power windows. Really clean inside. That's why I wanted to do that. This build. Yeah. Waiting on parts right now for it to show up. Waiting on new bushings for the leaf springs, new stud kit, U-bolts. Once I get all that, I'm gonna be looking for some tires to get it setting on its own weight to see what it looks like, and then go from there. One other thing that I am going to do, as you can see right here, that is the factory tank out of this truck. It's huge. I had to take it out of there anyways to weld that hanger up there without burning a hole in that. So, but I don't think I'm gonna run that tank. It's huge, it's in the way. So I think I'm just gonna get rid of it and run a fuel cell in the bed, in the toolbox or something. But yeah, here it is, guys. Let me know what you think, and further posts to come about it.